Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you live in Dubai, you know how incredibly hot and humid it's been lately. Actually, it doesn't matter where you live. In the summertime, it's just so hot, and I know at least for me, and I'm sure for you as well, you just don't feel like wearing a full face of heavy makeup. When you do, you know you're most likely gonna sweat it off, and all that time and work spent on it will go to waste. So yesterday I did this just very easy, quick 5-minute makeup look before I went out, and I got so many compliments on it. So I figured why not make a video on it, and I'm going to share that look with you right now. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you hit that notification bell, because when you do, you'll be one of the first people to know whenever I release a new video. And before we get into this easy tutorial, I just want to point out that I have already put on my skincare. I have a wonderful video on my morning skincare routine, and I've linked that in the description box down below. I've already filled in my eyebrows as well, and I have a very easy to follow eyebrow tutorial for a very natural looking eyebrow linked down below in the description box also. So the first product I'm going to use today is the Chanel Water Fresh Tint. If this looks familiar to you, it's because I have already done a review on this product and I absolutely love it. If you are looking for something very sheer, very light for your skin that's going to give you a nice, beautiful, luminous glow, this is the product you need. This product does come with a brush. I've found it's just even better when you apply it with your fingers. It's very watery, it's very sheer, and it has these little pigments in it that disperse and they just lightly cover your skin. And this just feels so nice on my skin. I am using the shade Medium Light, which is a little bit too dark for me, but because it's so sheer, it just blends in so easily that it doesn't make that big of a difference. The next thing I'm going to put on is just a touch of concealer. This is the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, and I really like this concealer because it's made for people with fine lines. So I'm just gonna put a touch on the inner corners of my eyes, and that's only because I do have a little bit of an uneven skin tone there, and the Tarte Creaseless Concealer really does a great job of covering that up for me. Now onto the cheeks. This is a beautiful product. I love these nude sticks. This is a new one. It's called the Nudies Bloom, and the shade is called Tiger Lily Queen. It comes with the color, and then below on the product, there's a little brush if you want to use a brush to really move the pigment around. You can use this all over your face, your eyes, your lips, your cheeks. For today, I'm going to use it on my cheeks. And you see that color? So then just really easy with my finger, I'm just going to brush it up. And so now I just have this very healthy, beautiful, corally type of color on my cheeks. And I'm going to follow that up with this NUDESTIX highlighter. This is called the Magnetic Nude Glimmers, and the shade is called 99% Angel. So I'm going to put just a little bit of it on my cheekbone. I'm also going to put just a touch on my Cupid's bow and blend that in. And then I'm going to take the same highlighter and I'm going to put a little bit of it on my eyelid and use it as an eyeshadow. And once again, just blend with your finger. and it gives my eyes just this beautiful soft glow. I love this product. Now I am going to put on just a little bit of mascara and then I'm done with my eyes. So quick curl of the lashes. And this is a Tarte eyelash curler. And I did say mascara, but I always also use this mascara primer. This is the Diorshow mascara primer and the Too Faced Better Than Love mascara. I swear by this duo. It's never let me down. So my eyes are done, and this is all I'm going to do with them for this look. Next up is the lips, and this is what really brings this look together. I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Hot Rose Luxe Lip Color and put a little bit of this NUDESTIX lip oil. This is the shade Hot Cherry on top. So this is the final look. I absolutely love this makeup. When I step outside, I honestly only feel like I really have lipstick on. My skin is pretty much feeling like just my skin right now because I did not put that much product on it. As I'm sure you noticed, I did not put on any powder. And if you're somebody where you absolutely have to have some powder, I recommend using this Marc Jacobs Accomplice powder. I did review this one on my channel as well, which is linked in the description box down below. But this is a great summertime powder, and what I love about it is it comes with its own little brush, and this is actually a very nice high quality brush, which is not usually what you find with the brushes that come with the products. And the powder is very sheer, and it has a beautiful light shimmer in it. This is a great one for the summertime. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I look forward to hanging out with you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.